So yesterday, I was discussing with a bunch of friends on Facebook about some of their favorite kits and also some favorite Gundam shows. And at first we got through talking about G Rico. I think it was even we were talking about Gundam Wing, some other various shows, but I wanted to actually focus on one topic that affects every Gundam fan when you're building a model kit. What is your most favorite characteristics of a Gundam kit once you order them from your favorite local hobby shop? What is it that you like about the texture, the color scheme, the designers who design the actual kit for you? Not to mention, not all of the Gundam kits appear in all the Gundam shows, or at least some of the other forms of media. Vice versa. What are your thoughts about certain kits that should be improved? The material, the plastic, the metal build. What else gives you some reason why you buy a model kit? Why you love building them? Not just because it also improves higher brain function, memorization of the instruction manual, and also you can see on certain videos where a certain model kit builder doesn't even use a manual. In fact, I guess he or she sort of memorizes the manual without even using it and then starts building the parts. There's also another video, I think it's in China, where this man starts building a bunch of art forms of portraits with Gundam parts, spare parts. I mean, he basically buys various model kits from Bandai, dismantles them, not even builds them, but just organizes the colors, the shapes, to see where each piece is going to fit, where it's going to be placed on whatever base media he's going to put it on, or put it over, assemble it with glue. It was very interesting when it was shown on Facebook one time, and a lot can be done with this stuff. There was a previous contest entry where it showed a bunch of plastic runners forming up a art form. Although it didn't get into any world championships, but it was a pretty interesting entry when they submitted it to Gundam Builders World Cups 2016 contest. What other reasons could you think of? What is the favorite type of material do you like on the next series of Gundam kits? Metal build, plastic? There's basically two types of material, although vinyl kits aren't really model kits, but you know, we're mainly focusing on the construction puzzle type hobbies. What is your favorite vintage kit that intrigues you to buy a Bandai product? I know that the snap build are very popular than the ones that are glued together, and there was one model kit line from the series where you use screws to assemble your Gundam kits. I think it was a line that was released during the Char's Counterattack movie, or 0080, which was the OVA series. It lasted about 13 episodes, or I think 6 or 10. Pretty small storyline. This concludes today's podcast. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you may start a discussion below the video that's been posted. And also, there's a special giveaway prize, which is coming next. Oh, and not to forget, for those of you who don't know this, check out YouTube, Facebook, and Google Plus for late details on the special giveaway that's being planned for you guys. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day and continue modeling. Maybe it's time to show some of the other prizes